Anyuola mag nyango tom mawuok e piny Ethiopia kod mago mag Toposa mag South Sudan kod Turkana ma Kenya osebedo kod romo mar manyo kwe kaluwore kod dar ma kinde ka kinde. Romo motim koyasa e kaunti ma Turkana geto manyo yore mag manyo winjruok kod achiel mar oganda kaluwore kod achiedhnade mag tungni kindgi. Magi timore bang' jodongo mag familia go bedo kendo temo tieko ywaruok manyalo bedo e tong' mag dhoudigo. Ripot yango ni dhok 40, nyithindo 5 kod punde 10 ma okwal bende duoke kinde romo ma kamano kaka yor kwe moseketi.
The 3 countries, Ethiopia, Sudan, and Kenya, they have decided to do away with the guns, with the raids. The residents, the people themselves, have decided to go the peace way and hand over all the stolen cows from all the counties of the 3 countries. Precisely, we can say it's international kind of thing.
The reason as why we want this peaceful coexistence is, one, to have free trade between Turkana in Kenya and also Nyangatom in South Sudan and in Ethiopia.
These partners are committed to the cause of making sure that the cross-border communities live peacefully. And today, we have witnessed a great day where the Nyangatom, the Turkana, have returned stolen livestock and handing over to the rightful owners.
We want to undertake a peace caravan led by women. A women caravan that will take us all through into the lands of Ethiopia and South Sudan. It will begin from Kenya. It will be led by our leaders, our women, our local women, together with the Nyangatom women and Toposa women.
We don't want to have situations where when we have peace, we have killings. We want to take it to a different level. That if we lose life, the persons involved will, 1, compensate, and 2, put into custody. Because if we don't do that, those who go scot-free will continue doing those killings.